What is the Brazilian currency?
Oh. Real?
Yeah.
Yes. Brazilian real?
What are
Oh. I can't remember. Maybe I've been there twice.
Oh, I do know, I've got it in my purse. Rios?
I just spend it.
Real.
I've been 3 times. I got a little bag of it at home and it's gone out of my head what it's called.
Real?
What is the official language of Brazil?
Brazilian Portuguese.
Portuguese, Brazilian.
Portuguese.
Yeah.
Portuguese.
Oh, Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Portuguese.
How many football World Cups have Brazil won?
4?
What is the capital of Brazil?
Oh, it's not Rio. No, is it Rio?
Rio de Janeiro. Oh, Sao Paulo.
Rio?
Is it? Stupid. Is it Rio? Or Sao Paulo?
Rio. I think Brasilia.
Brasilia?
Yeah. And what are the 3 main colours on the Brazilian flag?
Green, yellow, black.
Yellow, green and black.
Oh, I know this one. Blue, green and yellow.
Yes!
Yes!
Red, yellow and green?
Do you know this? I just gone blank on the Brazilian flag. Green, yellow, and I can't even think of the pattern right now. Blue.
Yellow, green, black.
Green, yellow and black.
Blue.
Blue. Oh.